So we reach the mountains in the distance. Yeah. Coming back down. Some sort of pumping station. That's my shadow. Let's see how rickety-rackety. The bridge. Oh, and people are asked those dirty buggers. But this is a good spot because there aren't any fish. And those people. It's okay, I already went to the river and drank water as well. Oh, bother. Brother. I'm every mountain, arch every stream, follow every rainbow. Just to show you how I risk life and limb to come upon this bridge for my brother's whim. Oh, look, the rainbow, you find your dream.